How to turn on developer mode on iPhone. Let's get started. In iOS 16, Apple introduced a developer mode feature. Many people might be unfamiliar with this, so in this video, I will explain what developer mode is and how to turn it on. Developer mode is used to enable features for developing apps on iOS devices. It helps protect users from inadvertently installing potentially harmful software and reduces attack vectors exposed by developer-only functionalities. Now go ahead and launch your Settings app, scroll down and head towards the option of Privacy and Security. Open it. Now scroll all the way down, you will see the option of Developer Mode. Turn it on. You will see a prompt at the bottom asking you to reboot your iPhone. Tap Restart to proceed. After restarting, open your iPhone. A pop-up window will appear. Tap Turn On, enter your password, and now you are done. If your iPhone is running the public version or you don't see the developer mode option in the settings, what you have to do is download and launch TenorSure iCare phone on your computer. Connect with your iPhone to the computer. Click on developer mode on the main interface of iCare phone. A pop-up box will appear. Select Open. Pick up your iPhone, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and scroll down to find developer mode. Tap it, turn it on, and restart your iPhone. After rebooting, a pop-up window will appear. Tap Turn On and enter your device password. And that's it. You have just enabled developer mode on your iPhone. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.